All right, guys, I wanted to show you Matrix OS, which is our new offering thanks to PCMTEC in Australia. They've created some awesome software, and we're spending a lot of time configuring everything how we want it, and we're going to be selling that under the name Matrix OS. So the first thing is, once cruise control is on with the on button, you can hit resume, and then that becomes your tune selector 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, of course, we could have, say, a 93 tune and an E85 tune, but the other next feature I wanted to show you is user selectable fuel. If I hit resume once again, now look at the speedo. That is your E85 content selector. So if you have E85 in it, true E85, you set it to 85. If you have E55, you can set it to E55. So now you can have 4 tunes over here that are all 93, and you can convert them to whatever percentage of ethanol you want. Obviously, this is a feature that we have to set up, and what we're doing is we're selling all this under one price, $5.99, but this is all going to be a la carte as of July 1st next year. Another feature that we have is launch control. So now, of course, we're sitting in a GT500. It has launch control, but we can use that for rolling launch control. So once you're in this menu, you hit negative on the cruise control. So I'll do that once again. So we're nowhere. So I hit resume, and that gets me into the tune selection menu, and if I go up, that picks the tune. If I go down, that gets me to the selector for launch control. In this case, we're going to use it as rolling launch control. So let's set it at about 4,500, and then we're going to go for a quick ride. Okay, so this feature is going to come in super handy for roll racers. So in this case, I want to launch at 4,500. So I have it held down. Pretty cool. Woo! Man, that's fun, launching off a button like that. Okay, we're in Mike's Mustang GT. It has a centrifugal supercharger on it. We're gonna show you how the launch control works. The converter's not very loose, but let's say we wanna launch at exactly 1,500. I already set that in the menu like we did earlier. I hold down on. Obviously, I have my foot on the brake. I floor it, it's holding 1,500. And then as soon as I let go of the brake and the button, it's gonna launch. Obviously, I'm spinning, I'm on the street right now, but this is going to be a great way to launch a blower car super consistently. All right, that's it for right now. Matrix OS is an add-on, $5.99, limited time to July 1st for everything, and then a la carte after that. That's in addition to any device or tuning fees or anything for this whole feature set. So get your order in, and we'll see you on the next one.